So the church mostly sees our idea of Chimmada, onye mother, mother as idolatry, as something that does not represent the essence and identity of God, the Creator. But they forgot that the Igbo philosophy of Umadebu Chimmada inspires us to live a good life, inspires us to want to be in the capacity whereby we are acting as a cosmic protector, a cosmic provider, and a cosmic guardian to an individual. Therefore, the only way to achieve this is by living a graceful life. And if you don't live a graceful life, you can never attain the position of Ibuchi mother or Igbo one mother. And even if you stay in your life here and you eventually become a person's chief or Onyowa, you subject that person to a life of torments. So our ancestors were able to understand these philosophies, and they use this to guide their lives and to control the human behavior and human interaction, how they interact with one another. And this is why our ancestors lived a kind of life that was worthy of emulation.